Looking for the perfect kitchen pantry cabinet that instantly upgrades your storage, maximizes space, and makes your kitchen feel more organized and premium? Then you're in the right place, because today we're counting down the best kitchen pantry cabinets you can buy right now, based on real-world usability, smart storage design, modern features, and overall value for money. Whether you want something stylish, compact, farmhouse-inspired, or packed with modern features like LED lighting and built-in outlets, this list covers the top options for USA and international buyers. And quick heads up, we've placed all product links in the description box below, so if you want to check current prices, discounts, or full details, go ahead and click those links anytime during the video. Make sure you stay until number 1 because that pick offers one of the best combinations of storage versatility, modern functionality, and aesthetic appeal we've seen recently. Let's start the countdown. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the ONBRILL 71-inch pantry cabinet, kitchen pantry storage cabinet with LED light and amp outlet. It's a modern storage solution designed for users who want both functionality and contemporary style in one unit. This cabinet stands out because it goes beyond basic storage by integrating practical features like built-in LED lighting and power outlets, making it ideal for modern kitchens where appliances, coffee stations, or microwave setups are part of everyday workflow. Tall vertical design helps maximize storage without taking up excessive floor space, which is especially useful for apartments or kitchens with limited square footage. Adjustable shelves provide flexibility, allowing you to organize pantry items, cookware, small appliances, or decorative pieces according to your needs. The LED lighting enhances visibility and adds a premium feel, especially in dim kitchen corners, while the outlet feature reduces cable clutter and improves usability for plugged-in devices. The overall build balances modern aesthetics with practical durability, making it suitable for contemporary interior styles. Assembly is straightforward compared to many bulky cabinets, and users looking for a tech-friendly pantry solution will appreciate how this unit blends storage with smart design elements. If you want a pantry cabinet that feels upgraded rather than basic, this model delivers solid value. For more details, pricing updates, and availability, check the link provided in the description box below. Coming in at number 4 is the VASAGLE Pantry Cabinet, 71.7-inch high freestanding tall cupboard storage cabinet with a drawer. It's a strong contender for those who want a balance between classic design and highly functional storage. One of the biggest advantages of this cabinet is its structured organization system, combining adjustable shelving with a dedicated drawer, allowing users to separate frequently used items from bulk storage efficiently. Tall vertical profile maximizes storage capacity while maintaining a slim footprint, making it a practical choice for kitchens where space efficiency matters. The aesthetic design leans toward modern farmhouse and transitional styles, meaning it can fit seamlessly into various kitchen interiors without looking overly bulky or outdated. Adjustable shelves give flexibility to accommodate taller items like cereal containers, kitchen appliances, or storage bins, while the drawer offers convenient access to smaller essentials such as utensils or kitchen accessories. Stability and durability are key highlights here, as the cabinet feels sturdy when assembled properly, giving long-term reliability for daily kitchen use. For users who prefer a clean and organized visual layout, this cabinet provides a structured and clutter-free appearance. Overall, it's an excellent option for anyone seeking dependable storage with versatile organization features. If you want more specifications, current pricing, or customer reviews, you can find the full details through the link provided in the description box below. At number 3, we have the IRONCK Kitchen Pantry Storage Cabinet 72.6-inch height with barn doors. This cabinet stands out immediately thanks to its farmhouse-inspired barn door design combined with highly practical storage functionality. This cabinet is perfect for buyers who want something that not only organizes their kitchen but also enhances visual style and interior character. The sliding barn doors provide easy access while saving space compared to traditional swing doors, making it suitable even in tighter kitchen layouts. Inside, you'll find multiple adjustable shelves that allow customization depending on what you store, from pantry supplies and cookware to decorative items. The included drawer adds an extra layer of convenience, helping separate smaller accessories from larger stored items. Its tall height ensures generous vertical storage, which is ideal for maximizing capacity without expanding the cabinet footprint. Combination of rustic charm and modern practicality makes this unit appealing to homeowners who want both aesthetics and efficiency. Build quality feels solid, and the overall design prioritizes functionality while maintaining a warm farmhouse look. Whether used as a pantry, coffee station, or multipurpose storage cabinet, this model delivers versatility and style. If you're interested in checking full features, updated pricing, or availability, make sure to visit the product link provided in the description box below. Taking the number 2 spot is the Shintenchi buffet cabinet with storage 53.4-inch large kitchen storage cabinet, a wider and more horizontal storage solution designed for users who need expansive surface space along with organized internal storage. Unlike tall vertical cabinets, this model offers a large top surface that works perfectly as a coffee station, serving area, or additional kitchen workspace. The inclusion of 3 drawers significantly improves organization by allowing separation of utensils, linens, or smaller accessories from larger cabinet storage areas. Adjustable shelves inside provide flexibility depending on storage needs, making it adaptable for different household setups. The farmhouse-inspired design gives it a stylish yet welcoming appearance, making it suitable not only for kitchens but also dining rooms or living spaces as a sideboard cabinet. Build stability and thoughtful layout make daily use convenient, especially for families who need quick access to frequently used items. Another advantage is its balanced proportions, which make it less visually overwhelming compared to very tall cabinets while still offering generous storage capacity. For users seeking both style and functionality with a strong focus on usability, this cabinet is a compelling choice. If you want to explore detailed specifications, updated pricing, or customer feedback, check out the product link available in the description box below. And finally, at number 1, we have the HOSTACK Kitchen Pantry 71-inch storage cabinet, a top pick that delivers an excellent combination of storage capacity, modern design, and practical everyday usability. This cabinet earns the top position because it balances aesthetics with functionality exceptionally well. Tall structure maximizes vertical storage while maintaining a sleek footprint that works in various kitchen layouts. Multiple compartments and adjustable shelves allow users to customize storage for different items, from food supplies and cookware to small appliances. The design feels modern yet versatile, blending well with contemporary and farmhouse-style interiors alike. One of its strongest advantages is the thoughtful layout, which makes organizing easy while keeping frequently used items accessible. The sturdy construction adds reliability, ensuring it performs well under daily use without feeling flimsy. For homeowners who want a pantry cabinet that looks premium but also delivers practical value, this model stands out as a well-rounded option. Its overall design makes it suitable not only for kitchens but also utility rooms or multi-purpose storage areas. If you want to see full specifications, updated pricing, and additional details, make sure to check the product link provided in the description box below. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.